Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how to sign up for an online account on American Express. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and do press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. American Express Company is a multinational corporation specialized in payment card services that offers world-class charge and credit cards, gift cards, rewards, travel, personal savings, business services, insurance and many more. First of all, you need to open any web browser on your PC as I am using a Microsoft Edge for this. Now go in for new tab and searching for a americanexpress.com and press enter. At the official web page of American Express, you need to click on login on top right side of your screen. Here you will see login form page where you need to provide your account credential, then click on login where you will get directly logged into your online account of American Express. As we are going to get a new enrollment, you need to click on the link given, that is create new online account. You click on it. For the enrollment in the American Express, you need to go from three process, that is get started, set up and finish. Now at very first, you need to go in for providing your 15-digit card number. Now then you go in for providing your 4-digit card ID. Here, if you do not have your 4-digit card ID, then you can click on the link given don't have a 4-digit card ID. Then you go in for further instruction that has been provided. Once you provide both the details, you need to click on confirm where you will be moved towards another process, that is set up. Here, your profile and other required documents will be set up. Then moving forward, you will be moved toward last step, that is finish, where all your provided details will be verified. Then you will be able to register yourself for the online account on American Express. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how you can create an online account on American Express. Thank you.